You want to find leads or writing market research reports, and one way to help you is by reading the posts from LinkedIn. You scroll through one by one, and suddenly you have spent hours with hundreds and hundreds of posts, and you don't even know what to conclude. Imagine if you have an automation system that can do that and write you the conclusion within minutes. If you want to know, I'll show you how it works. Now, we got Nathan here as the AI scraper from LinkedIn posts, and Nathan here is an agent, and his job is to determine the appropriate keyword and then make a summary out of multiple posts that he can find from LinkedIn. Okay, so for this example, I'm gonna ask Nathan about the AI lead generation tools. Okay, so Nathan, do your magic. There you go. You got the answer from Nathan, and I do believe that this might come from 4 posts. And from this summary, as you can see that Nathan also includes the original poster and also the summary of the post. Now, if you want to know more about this, let's dive in step by step. Let's start with the empty workflow, and for this workflow we're going to be using HTTP requests. The reason why we are using that is because of we are going to be using Apify to script the post for us. Okay, so let's connect that. And so this is the Apify. I do believe that I've created a video about how to log into Apify, but anyway, it's very simple, right? Now what you need to find is this actor. This is actually very good. So if we go back to the let's say actors, and then probably home, and then posts, so this recently viewed. So I'm just going to go to actor and then go to the store, and then I'm going to type LinkedIn post scraper. Okay, this is the one. Now this is very good because you can see that, right? We got a couple of text box that we can input. Now what we are interested in is actually the keyword and also the page number, and so we're going to be using this, and we are gonna load all the information here and integrate that with our LLM using HTTP requests, right? Okay, so let's go back to the HTTP workflow, and let's click the HTTP request. The method that we are interested in is actually posts, and we need to include the URL. So if you go back to Apify again, you would want to click the API and then API endpoints, and scroll down a bit until you find run actor synchronously and get dataset items. So this is post essentially, right? So you would want to copy this bit, okay, right after the question mark, not the token. Okay, so we're gonna copy this, go back to the workflow, and we're gonna be doing this. Then let's paste here. Yeah, for the authentication is gonna be predefined, and the type is generic, and the type is gonna be query authentication, and then you're gonna create a new one by, and then include the name token in here, and then after that you can come back to the Apify, and you're gonna click this so that you can see the token. So you have this Apify. Why is it so hard? Okay, tell you what, I'm gonna copy everything, and then I'm gonna use Notepad. Where are you, Notepad? Okay, and I'm gonna paste it here. There you go. I got myself the Apify token. Okay, I'm gonna copy this one, and then I'm gonna paste it on my NLN. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna say LinkedIn post 2 because I've got one already. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Now then we will enable send body, and then we are gonna click JSON, and then we're gonna be using for the specify body, we're gonna be using JSON. Okay, now let's go back again. So these are the inputs. Now I'm just gonna type everything. So let's say AI, and relevance, page number is going to be 1 as well, it's fine, and there's no filter. Oh, tell you what, I'm just going to go with the past month, right? And then the result limits is going to be, I'm going to say, I don't know, 5. Then let's click JSON. Then you got everything, and then you're going to copy everything, and then you're going to paste it here. Okay, now let's give it a go. I'm going to execute this. And it's done. As you can see that we got a lot of stuff coming in, right? So we got the activity ID, we got the URL, and then if we have a look at this, is this one? Yep. Let's say paste it here, and then gonna have to log in. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. Let's go back. So this is the person, right? And then that's the headline. This is the profile URL, yada yada yada, and then you got yourself the text, which is this is what we are interested in. Okay, now we can get everything from this. You know, if you're looking for leads, right, then the person, the name, and the profile is going to be something that you're interested in, so that you can connect and then send a DM or something like that if you want. Okay, but for my specific case for now, I'm more interested in the posts, because let's say that, you know, the kind of thing that I'm interested in is actually something like creating a summary or generating a report, you know, and then use the LinkedIn posts to essentially learning from that. And, you know, I'm just gonna let AI learning from that anyway. So yeah, so we got the text and everything else, right? And then if you go to schema, let's see, we got 5 items. Oh yes, because we limit everything to 5. Yeah, you're right. There you go. Next, let's enable the AI so that we can do what we have demonstrated in the beginning of the video. So I'm gonna delete this, I'm gonna delete this one as well. So I'm gonna start with it's gonna be chat, isn't it? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna keep this one because I'm gonna copy and paste everything. And the next is gonna be the AI agent. Got it. And then don't forget to enable the memory. Okay, simple stuff, nothing definitely inherently different than what we've been doing so far. I'm gonna choose GPT 4.1 mini because it's the simplest, cheapest, and the fastest. And for the tool, I'm gonna go with the HTTP, right? There you go. So now it's gonna be posts, okay, and the URL is gonna be from here. Okay, copy. Okay, and then the authentication is gonna be, is that pretty fine or generic? I think pretty fine, isn't it? A query, where are you, man? Oh, sorry, I keep making this mistake, my apologies. So it's gonna be query authentication, and it's gonna be LinkedIn post 2, and then send body. Yeah, it's gonna be tricky, isn't it? Okay, I tell you what, so this one we are gonna be using the fields below, and there are a couple of parameters that we need to include. So the first one is gonna be the date filter, so I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna add parameter. Is this the one? Oh yes, what am I thinking, right? Now I'm gonna make it a little bit fixed, yeah, because AI can make a mistake, because this one is predefined from the tool. So I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna go with this. Okay, and then we're gonna add some more keyword. This is the really important bit, and this is gonna be, we're gonna let AI define this bit. Okay, and then we're gonna add parameter. It's gonna be limits. Okay. Okay, and this is gonna be defined by the AI. And then what else? Page number. Awesome. Yeah, I think we have everything, don't we? Okay, now I'm gonna tell the AI that use this tool to scrape LinkedIn posts. Okay, and then I'm gonna call it LinkedIn post scraper. Okay, there you go. Okay, so I don't think I need this anymore, so I'm gonna delete this, and then I'm gonna go to the agent and I'm gonna add the system message. So you are a helpful assistant. Your job, your job is to summarize, search, and summarize LinkedIn posts. Specify by the user. Limit the summary to only how many words? I guess 500 words is good enough. Okay. All right. Summarize LinkedIn. Oh, it's just okay. It's not a big deal. Okay, so I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna open chat and okay, let's try it. Okay, well, a little bit of correction. So let's go back to the LinkedIn post scraper again one more time, and then let's scroll down. Now, this is very important. So for the limit, we're gonna put like this one number and then 5. So that means we're gonna convert the input into integer. And then for the page number, it's also the same, right? So which means for this example, we're not gonna be able to let the AI to specify the number of posts that we are going to be scraping. Okay, so we are only allowing the AI to decide what the keyword is going to be. Now, okay, let's save it and give it a go. So I'm gonna ask the AI, okay, can you find me AI tools for recruitment agency. Okay, now it's working. Okay, it's working really well. And okay, so let me maximize this a little bit. Oh, there you go. So we got the summary of LinkedIn posts about the AI for recruitment agency. So we got Muhammad Shamel, blah blah blah. Okay, and then yeah, noting that it's harder to find quality talent, blah blah blah. Okay, now let's have a look at the parameters. Okay, yeah, so for recruitment agency, so that's parameter value, right? For this. Yep. Yeah, okay, there you go. That's it, guys. I hope you guys find the video useful. Check out my other videos, and until then, see you next time.